Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in TikTok. Let's get started. First things first, open the TikTok app in your iPhone. Once the TikTok app is opened, click on the bottom right profile button. After this, click on the top right 3 lines button. Then, it will show you 3 options: Creator Center, My QR Code and Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy button. Once the Settings and Privacy is opened, swipe down to Content and Display section. Then click on Display. After this, click on Dark Mode. There is also an option called Use Device Settings. Enable it will match the appearance to your device display and brightness settings. And that's how you enable dark mode in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.